That new memory foam pillow and memory foam mattress topper were amazing. Normally I get up in the night for a pee, but last night I just slept 8 hours clean through. All these seaside businesses closed down. All the trailer parks shut for the summer. Oh yes, great spot. Back to putting wood on the roof so I can sleep, but at least it's just for tonight. I'll see how I can build up this hardboard tomorrow. Good morning. Trees smell so much better than I do. You know, it's going to be a long walk to the nature reserve if they're putting information boards up like this every few hundred yards. Pulleth the sword from the stone is the rightful king of all England. Somerset may seem like a pastoral idyll now, but this is how Homo sapiens found it 10,000 years ago. Avalon, just a huge level of marshes everywhere to the north, under a mile of ice. In the 17th century, people drained the Somerset level to create the arable pasture we know today. A hell of a project. I do so miss the sound of willow leather during the summer. But abandoned cricket field car parks make a great place to sort out the back of that van. Again, check out the devastation. It hasn't been that empty since the day after I bought it. I'm not finished yet. I need to loosen this front seat for when the tip's open. That seat is proving really hard to remove, but in the meantime the good news is battery is in really good shape. That star screw there is jammed, but maybe I can fatigue that bracket off. leg of the bracket has popped. The front end is starting to feel a little bit liquid now. Oh yeah, see it whitening there? Lovely. Oh, that's it. It's finally free now. So let's take the front seat out and have a look. Ah, yes. Acres of space. I can finally clean out this under seat tray here. Brilliant. It's not bugging me anymore. Look at that 12 volt socket. That is so full of crap. But have I fixed the secondary 12 volt source? Or no? Yes. 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 Okay. Don't think, right, just because I'm cleaning up my van that I'm falling in love with it or anything. About that, it's just a utility that I need in the present time. And I'm kidding myself that for some reason cleaning all the dust out of the door hinges is helps it with its utility in some way. I'll call that a tea break. Might look like a Womble house from the back, but check out the front view. I mean, just looks like your average builder with no sense of tidying. Good enough. Now I'm going to put the heat insulation into the ceiling. Double-sided sticky tape, reflective side up. Here's one I prepared earlier. That'll do for now. Okay, better put the rest of this stuff back in the van. Better already. All done. Check out the Stealth steel toe cap, beige carpet partition, reflective jacket, tow rope. Yes. Annoyingly, the passenger seat is there until I can dispose of it. Got nowhere to put my coffee cup. Oh, I miss my front seats already. I'm silly. I've even drunk coffee since I've been in here. Thanks very much. I will go, I believe in you.